Mega Grace on Vuma FM. It's exactly 6 minutes before Lina the game demanded Gabriel Sithole NPDK ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni bamba ke sengiyavala ngicela ukukhuluma nawe nje amazi amafishane before uqala usuku lakho namhlanje ekseni bamba sengiyavala. Do not let failure define you, but you must let failure teach you a lesson in life. Ungavumeli ukwahluleka kuchaze ubuwena, kodwa ukwahluleka makube isikhathi sokufunda into entsha ngawe nangempilo. Never for a minute in your life allow your past failures and allow your failure to define who you are, but you must allow your failure to teach you life lessons. Ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi uyitshele ukuthi i-event yokwahluleka enzeke empilweni yakho usuwena. You are not the event that happened in your life. You are not failure that happened empilweni yakho. Iphutha ongalenza lokuyitshela ukuthi ukwahluleka kuwuwe. Awusikho nokwehluleka kodwa nje ukwahluleka was just an event eya unfold empilweni yakho. Ela kwenzele lento mawusu uyithola usesimeni sokuthi uhlulekile entweni ethile, mhlawumbe ugrade 12 uhlulekile wangawuthola ubachelor, wangawuthola no diploma, wathola lokho ukutholile noma ukutholanga nalokho ubufuna ukuthola. Never tell yourself ukuthi you are your failures, but you must learn something from all your failures. Funda isifundo esithile ngoba konke ukwahluleka esifika kukhona kusinikeza room for growth, kusinikeza indawo yokukhula sibe ngabantu abangcono. Ungalenzi iphutha lokuyitshela ukuthi ukwehluleka kwakho kunguwe, but ukwehluleka kuyisikhathi sokufunda ngempilo futhi kuyisikhathi sokufunda kangcono ngawe. Failure is just an event, but you are not failure and you are not a failure. uNkulunkulu wakha waba ngokwesabekayo, uNkulunkulu wakwenza waba yilento ekafuna kube yiyona futhi akalenzanga nephutha ngesikhathi uNkulunkulu ekwakha. Failure is just the training session that prepares you for great things empilweni. Ukufundisa izinto obengeke uzuyifunda kube kuthiwa kwazange wahluleka, ngoba mawehluleka uqhamuka neindlela ezinye zokwenza into ngendlela eyahlukile. Kwesinye isikhathi mawehluleka uNkulunkulu usuke efuna ukukuyisa kwenye indawo ubungayitshela ukuthi wena uzoya kuyona, bese kuyisa ngendlela akafuna ngayo. So you must never allow failure to define who you are, ngoba usikho lokho kwenzakalile kuwena, awusikho lento eyehlekile empilweni yakho, bekuyisehlakalo nje senzakalile, but awusiso leso sehlakala, usiyona leyo event. You are more than that. You are more than your failures. You are more than your mistakes. You are more than what you went through. You are more than your situation and your circumstances. Ungaphezu kwakho konke kwehlekalile kuwe, futhi ungaphezu kwazona zonke izimo ezifikile empilweni yakho. Izimo ebeyifikile empilweni yakho zifikele ukuzokufundisa. Ubona impilo ngelinye ihlo, ubona impilo ngamehlo ahlukile kunalokho kade ubona ngawo. Okugcina sengivala ukwahluleka kuyisiqinisekiso ukuthi ikhona into oke wayizama empilweni. Kumele understand ukuthi abantu abazama empilweni bona abantu abahlulekayo, kodwa abantu abangazami lutho abaphumeleli futhi abahluleki. So failure is just proof that there is something that you tried empilweni wahluleka khona. Kuyisiqinisekiso ukuthi khona into oyenzayo. Ungcono ke wena uma umuntu kunento oyenzayo kunokuba ube umuntu ohleli ongenzi lutho. Ibambe lento uqala usuku lakho namhlanje. Never allow your failure to define you, but let it teach you a lesson. Wenze kukufundise into ethile empilweni yakho. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning